Yo guys, welcome back with another unboxing video. In today's video we are gonna unbox the Casio Edifice Alpha Tauri with the reference number ECB-20AT-2AER. This watch is a limited edition with 500 pieces worldwide and has a retail price of €299. The dial is based on the colors of the racing cars of Alpha Tauri. The case of the watch has a diameter of 46 mm and is 12.5 mm thick. This watch also has a Bluetooth function, so you can connect it with your phone. The watch has a sapphire crystal glass and has a blue leather strap. The caliber of this watch is a 5638. If you're interested in buying this watch, I've got some great news for you, because we have still one model left in our stock. Thanks for unboxing this watch with us.